Looks like I lost my shifter. Ah, crap. I'm gonna fix this. Yo, damn, that's hot. I don't know what's wrong with this. Is it just loose? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, broke right off. That you should get me there. My baby's getting dirty. Oh no. Break time. Getting off the bike for a little bit. I got about an hour to go. And that's about it, really. You got a little river right here. Water's so clear. It was raining and looks like it cleared up. But the ground is still wet, so I got to be careful. I've been letting cars pass me because I don't want to get into a wreck, you know what I mean? Don't want to travel too fast on wet tires. At least I don't. You do what you want, I'll do me. You knew? The zip ties are holding up really, really well. I just hope this side doesn't let go. Look how loose that is. Damn. Well, so far so good. 34 miles to the hotel. And then tomorrow we'll have to see if I can find a hauler dealer to get a new rod.
I guess.
I'll wait a minute.
Hey, thanks. I wish it was my father-in-law. I wish it was mine. It just came up. He got it for a year, and he said, "Hey, you want to drive it up?"
Hell yeah.
Absolutely.
That is a nice car. This is like 60 grand. Crazy money. Check out the room. Drop down bed right there. Not bad little cozy room. I don't even know, where's the bathroom? Oh, check it out, so cool. Woo, I am beat. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day. It's about 5:55 and the zip ties actually worked. They're still holding. Did about 40 miles to get here. There's no Harley-Davidson dealership open, so I'll have to hit something in the morning. I think there's something close to where I'm going tomorrow. So I'll stop there, see if I can get a shifter linkage and get that put on. Other than that, it's been uneventful. Real good ride. Route 100, I'm gonna have to give that a 4 out of 10. There's some scenic areas that are really nice. As you head up further north you go, you get better views. There's a lot of houses that are falling down, barns that are falling down. It's cool to look at. Don't know if anybody's living in those places, but it is what it is. The roads are horrible. A lot of the curves are really bad. If you do come up Route 100, be careful on the curves. If it says 50, do 40. I found that a lot of the potholes and rough road is on the curves itself. So be careful going through Route 100. The roads are not great, so I'm going to give the roads a 2 out of 10 because the roads are pretty bad in some areas. A lot of small towns. You go through quite a few small towns, and that's kind of cool, seeing some of the older buildings and whatnot. But like I said, there's a lot of buildings that look like they've been abandoned. A lot of barns too. They're all leaning and stuff. There was one building that was like 2x4s holding it up. I was going to stop and take a picture, but I didn't. I should have. But there was no place to pull over. All right, everybody, I'm going to go take a nice hot shower, turn in for the night, maybe do some work on the laptop, get some dinner, and you all, I'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.